Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about something very interesting. It's a popular topic and has been trending everywhere. Everybody has been talking about it. Many people have a lot of questions about Pi network. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you everything you need to know about the Pi network. Without any further ado, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let's get straight into the video. Now, the first thing first, what is Pi? What is Pi network? Now, Pi is as we all know, is a cryptocurrency, a decentralized crypto, which aims to make mining easier. So, unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which you need expensive hardware, you need all these big computers, and you need some money, and you need a lot of energy, power to mine crypto. With Pi, you can just mine on your smartphone, your phone, just with a click of button. You can easily mine the cryptocurrency. So it's the goal of Pi is to be user friendly and easily accessible to everybody to access, right? How does Pi network work? How does it work? So most of us already know what Pi is, but for those of us that don't know, it's like an app on your phone. You can just download it on your Play Store, your Google App Store, or your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store, and then you sign up with them, and you can just click a button, and every day it will be mining for you, right? Now, Pi has started since the year 2019. I think it's about 6 years now, and they're already talking about mainnet. They're already talking about listing. So if you have not yet gotten started, you are interested in getting started with Pi, it's never too late. You can still keep mining. Even me, I'm still mining till today. We will continue mining. That's the major aim of Pi, to make mining easily accessible to everyday people. So Pi network uses the consensus algorithm called the Stellar consensus algorithm. So this algorithm makes it easier for us to actually mine this Pi on our phone without it draining our battery or consuming too much power than necessary. And one very unique thing about this Pi network is that it has a very tight security system, whereby it's only real users that can mine the network. It's not like most of all these other projects that you have a lot of bots, a lot of script writing, and a lot of people are just mining for mining sake. In Pi network, they have, number one, you need a referral code from a friend to mine, and without, after you get the referral code, if you want to now move on from the testnet to migrate to your mainnet, you need to do a thorough KYC procedure, which requires you to bring your document or each government issued document. You do a face verification, you even do a motion detection. You have to do a lot of verification to identify that, okay, this person is a real human being and it's not just a bot. So one person or one user cannot really have multiple accounts, only one user to one account, which is a very good one for a crypto project. We have the design and distribution phase, we have the testnet phase, and the mainnet phase. So like I said before, Pi has started since 2019. So they have gone to the design and distribution, they have gone to the testnet phase, and now we're about to enter the mainnet phase. People have already been migrated to mainnet, and by this week, February 20th, Pi is going to be listed officially on the market. So right now, nobody knows. We don't know the actual price of one Pi coin, but this week we're going to find out the price of one Pi coin. So Pi has been building a lot of applications, a lot of technology infrastructure to accommodate payment. They want to make you to be able to pay for day-to-day accessories, pay for buy water, buy food stuff, go to the store or to the mall and buy your clothes, buy your shoe with Pi coin, right? Which Bitcoin was not able to achieve, because Bitcoin can't easily buy it. It has a lot of high gas fees and only a lot of few people that can actually afford to buy Bitcoin. But now they make Pi coin easy for everybody to easily use to buy and sell day-to-day activities. So many people have already been speculating the price of Pi. Some people say it will list at $300,000. Some people say it will list at $100. Some people are saying $50. Some people are saying $10. Some people are saying $1, and some people are saying it's not even down $1. So all those speculations, are going to find out the true price of Pi this week, Friday. So like I said before, The Pi team has been working for the past 6 years and doing a lot of things, and right now they are trying to build a marketplace for us to be able to trade with our Pi coin. Like for example, Amazon or Alibaba, but you using your Pi coin to buy and sell goods and services. Now, if they are able to achieve this, then definitely it will improve the price and the whole ecosystem of the Pi network. Now, a common question is Pi scam or legit project? Now, the Pi team, they have actually been verified. They are credible. We have checked how they started, everything they did everything right, and so far so good. It looks like a great project and a project that has so much potential, but that does not mean that you should, there's no guarantee. That does not mean that you should now put all your investment into Pi network. If you want to buy, by the time they list on the exchanges, if you want to invest in Pi, just as always do your research. This video is not a financial investment, but make sure you don't invest money that you can, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Basically, invest wisely. And yeah, this video is just for entertainment and educational purposes only. So that's all about the Pi network, the Pi team. They are building, they are working, they have a strong community. They have over 6 million verified KYC users, and they have even about 100 million users that are mining on the Pi network every day, and they are looking like a very good project. So what's the future of Pi? Where do we see Pi in the next few years? Now, I think personally that Pi will list at within $1 to $3, within that price of about $1 to $5. That's my own speculation. It might list higher than that, it might list lower than that. Nobody really knows, but we'll all find out on February 20th, 2025. And finally, if you have not gotten started with Pi, the link will be in the description. I will drop my link. So click the link, download the app, use my invitation code, and start mining. Like I said, it's never too late. Some people have started mining before, they stopped. Some they have forgotten their username, they haven't forgotten their account, they've forgotten their password, they don't have the email they use again. Don't stop. Don't say because of that, oh, I will leave Pi. You can still be mining. Although the mining rate is very low now, but it doesn't really stop. Just keep mining your Pi, and yeah, get results. It doesn't cost you much. All it costs is to just enter the app and mine every day. That's all. So that's all for this video, guys. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, the post notification bell to get notified anytime I drop another video. I post videos relating to crypto, airdrops, and self-improvement, and also how to make money online. And also I have a group on WhatsApp where we talk about crypto, drop crypto update, crypto information. We talk about airdrops. So you can join my group. The link will be in the description below. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.